Hello, welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I've been off a bit, had a couple of things pop up. Anyway, I'm back to looking at things from the world of Commodore. And indeed, that's heavy. Look, that's another Amiga disk drive. Now, someone said I'm the master of stacking. Well, this is possibly true. Alright, it's a 1010. Looks pretty lovely. Looks pretty dandy. Oh, yeah. I think we'll set that up here. Diddling around with them at the moment is tough. I would really like to have the hard drive working, but it's not working. And I'm not digging into it today. I thought I would, but I've still got to find a... What do I got to find? Oh, I know what I got to do. Oh, I was just looking around for my chip puller. Al Payne gave me this at the World of Commodore. You know what I am going to do? I'm going to take this hard drive. There are these two little funky things that say void. Warranty seal. Void if broken. Or, yeah, if. Right. Now I know that underneath here, from what I saw online, and it wasn't an exact drive like this, was some sort of nut. So I'm going to, with great care and reverence, remove the sticker that says void if removed. Okay, it's off, and underneath we will indeed see, besides the screws on the top, there is a little nut thing. It needs to come out. And it's not, anyway, it comes off. There's another thing here, and it feels like nothing. But it too says the same sort of thing about voiding the warranty. So maybe, in case there is something under there, though it feels like it just doesn't go anywhere, but maybe there is. I am not going to jam the screwdriver into my fingers. I am not. Maybe I will try and get this off, because when I go to open this, I don't want to have to be being surprised by anything. All right, come on, you. They make these stickers very good, very well. They stick, and you really can't take them off without ruining, so there's no way that you could get this off without, and put it back on, and I didn't open it. Oh. Well, I have it off. There's a sticky thing under here. Is that a hole that goes in? Oh my. I need to be careful of this. Maybe I should. Okay. I don't know if these holes go inside. But anyway, I've taken both of them off. There's the screw thing. And up above, there's this other thing. Looks like it has a hole. So certainly I don't need to do anything to fasten that. Maybe I'll try and stick that one back on. Oh, it's upside down. Or is it? I don't know. The letters are gone. Okay, maybe that's... Alright, I'll stick that over there. Anyway, indeed, I'm going to have to find the nut that would go on that. I'm going to put this other one sort of back over what looks to be a hole. And then I will look for a nut driver thing, or some sort of socket to get that sucker off. Then I can take out the screws, and I can get off the top, and then I can look for the sticky stuff. So we have here 4 10-10s. We're not going to do anything with them at the moment. I'm going to reach down low into the bag. Oh. Well, is this really what it says it is? It could be. It says it's a table pod from Henry's. Is there anything else in there? I don't think so. This could be handy. This is when, I mean, you can go out and spend a whole bunch on tripods at any time. This looks to be a tripod, so you loosen it off. It has legs of different sizes. Oh, hello. What's going on here? Ow. That hurt. Okay. To get everything just so, the legs are different lengths. I guess it could help in some applications. And this is not for an iPhone or anything. It's for a camera, like a real camera. So you can set it on a desk and shoot things. Be good for at a conference when you're not trying not to be obtrusive. Now, how does that thing spin? Well, I guess you turn the camera on and spin the camera on, unless this thing spins. I guess it kind of spins. Anyway, and also it has, you can have different angles on it. So like a, oh, I wonder if it goes up any. I don't think it does. I think it's meant to be a handy-dandy little tripod. Excellent. All right, I'm going to loosen it off. I'm going to fold it back up. See how nicely and neatly all the legs go together. And I'll tighten the things. You don't want to lose the things. You don't. And I think I may. I think I might. Oh, I think I will loosen this off and get it so it better goes in the bag. I think I might stick this in my camera bag. I haven't had my camera out for quite a while. But that's a whole other story. Alright, so there. I will put this in my camera bag, and I think what I will do with this, and I'm seeing that there's nothing else in here, I will recycle this. Not bad. Alright, there's more stuff in this bag that can sit there. It feels like, oh yeah, paper. Lots of paper. Something else that's heavy. And look, it's a bag from Henry's, which is a camera place, I think mostly in Toronto. And they have www.henrys.com. They used to do stuff on eBay with stuff that came in, like older stuff, but I'm not sure that they do. I suspect I will also recycle the Henry's bag. Now, what do we have? We have, if your diskette becomes damaged or worn out. Huh, okay. So you can send them $10, they'll send you a new disc. What is this? Oh, very good. This would be the lovely man who was gathering this for me. I guess had stuff in a box. Ta-da! And that was how we knew what to put in the box. Alright. We have discs in their little paper cardboard folder things. Oh, which are not easy to get into. What do we have? Amiga 2091 installation software. Hard disk software. Cool. And as I have a 2091 here, that might be handy. Assuming I ever get this thing. Oh. Oh no, this one has not been opened. I do not wish to void the door. Okay. Probably Workbench 1.32. Amiga Extras and Basic Drivers. Amiga Extras, Amiga Basic, Amiga Workbench. And it is Amiga Workbench for the 500, 1000, 2000, 1.32. Excellent. Excellent. I'll put those down there. Here is a list of Commodore authorized repair locations listed by state. August of 1809. I wonder. I never did look at these way back when. 89. Oh, man. Let's see. Florida. I wonder, are these listed? Oh, they are. No. Who knows how up to date these things were? Who knows? There were a bunch in Florida. I don't know if I've ever gone there. Don't see it. Don't know how often they came out with these things. There was a place near us that tried to pester me a time or two. They were Office World. They said, oh yes, we're whatever. Well, they were not. Okay, disk damage, worn out. What is this? Stop, read this first. Program license agreement. Yeah. More paper. Oh, here is the book for the 2091-40 hard disk SCSI controller. The installation guide. That eventually could come in to be very handy as I try and get this up and going again. The Commodore Amiga Buyer Guide to Software and Accessories. All kinds of stuff. Not just from Commodore, all kinds of things. All kinds of things. Which, of course, it was all in their best interest that people make things for it. Because it was Electronic Arts. Oh, that was word processing. Desktop presentation. I wonder. Product title index. I would like to think. Applications, telecommunications. Okay, this is. Huh. Oh, and you know what? They even sold this thing for $2. Can you imagine? Here is a manual from 1084S high resolution monitor. The S stood for stereo, which meant there were two speakers in it. And it would hook up to a number of machines. That was one good thing about the things. They tried to have, it wasn't just one size fits all. It was like right now there's a thing in here that's showing how to hook it up to a 64 to 128. and a PC-10 and a 128. Using headphones, you can connect headphones to an 1084S so that the stereo sounds generated by Amiga can only be heard through the headset. To do this, simply insert the plug on the end of the standard headphone cable into the small silver port on the left side of the monitor's cabinet. The port is towards the front of the monitor. A headphone cable is not included with your monitor, but should be readily available at most computer and electronic stores. Indeedy. Oh, it even shows you how to get up to Amiga 500. Indeed. So here it is. I think there's a better picture here. I thought I saw a better picture. Maybe I did not. Maybe I was dreaming. A very simple picture on the front. But anyway, pristine shape. What is this? Warranty registration. Oh, yeah. Warranty, oh, yeah. Software licensing. Business reply card. This is your warranty registration. Fill it out now and mail. Don't delay. Alright, here is the introduction to the Commodore Amiga 2000 HD, which meant hard drive. And here are some notes on what is what. I will keep this because you just never know. This would have been the hard work of the gentleman who passed this stuff on to me. Interesting. Books. Amiga DOS. Inside and out. For those who don't know, DOS means Disk Operating System. And another book. Amiga Basic. Beautiful. Books and books and books and books and things and stuff and books. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to keep this handy. And, of course, as I'm known for, I can just stack things up. Yeah, there's more stuff over here. I don't think this is going to fall. I'll put this up here. Oh. Alright, so more treasures from the show. So I think I will take this beautiful little tripod, which pretty much every, not phones, cameras have the same screw thing in them. They do. So, should be handy. I will find a way. As I said, like this thing was about $50. There's like iPhone things and phone things and stuff that cost a lot, but there are also places where you can get them very reasonably. I would encourage you to get them very reasonably. Actually, there was once a fellow I knew who was into this stuff, and this was pretty long ago. And his favorite tripod for any sort of phone was a coffee cup. And no, not a ceramic one, a paper one that was all rinsed out and dry and everything. And he would take scissors and he would cut a notch. And he could set the notch at whatever angle or whatever else he wanted. He'd set the thing on the table. He'd plunk down the phone into the notch inside the cable, inside the cup that he had just modified. Worked fine. And then he could be rid of it. And if he didn't like it, he could cut the next one a little bit differently. Alright, I'm going to put this away. Let's see what else there is to do today. So thanks for coming. I will continue to ponder the quantum pearl drive. And when I'm ready and brave enough to go deep, to go inside. Not today. Bye for now.